months ago, well, it's almost 12 months ago, you engaged, some services with me to do a bit of strategic planning and, try to, get the business to the next level, good to great, as we say.
Yep.
So how's that experience been for you?
It's good. You came in at a challenging time. We needed some help. I needed some outside help. It can be really difficult to come up with all the answers on your own. So I was excited to have someone to vet ideas off. And what we've done in 12 months, we were in a little bit of chaos and managing our way out of COVID. And 12 months later, we've just come back from holidays. Cass said to me that is the greatest holidays we've ever had. We were stress-free. We actually didn't have any customer calls for 2 weeks. It was the first time we really emerged from the chaos into just a really happy place. And the business is heading into 2024, never better position. We've been in business for 13 years and I feel like this is the time we're going to fly.
Yeah, and you know what? We did a session with your team this morning. They're all engaged. You don't have a good team, you have a great team now. Yeah. They're all engaged. They're all behind you and Cass and the brand and Paul and everyone. I think it's just absolutely a credit to you guys. I'm not saying I did the work or anything like that, but certainly led you in the right direction, and you guys and your team just took it on board.
Yeah.
And they love it and they run with it, and you've done some innovative things. So I just want to say congratulations.